friends, welcome back. Do you want to read a story? You do? All right, let's get to it. Winter is the name of our story. It's about the season of winter. I know it's winter when my toes are cold in the morning and the sun gets up late. Spiky ice sparkles in the sunshine. It's time for snowsuits, big boots, and funny hats. There are snowflakes and snow fights, frozen fingers and soggy socks. There are bowls of soup to warm us up, and seeds for the hungry birds. We play indoor games on snug indoor days, like hide and seek and dressing up. We watch the stars come out one by one, share bedtime stories, and snuggle up warm. Thank you for watching, my friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.